This was very new to me. I did not know very much of anything around AI.
Each of my staff spends about 2 months just emailing people follow-up questions.
Time is our biggest enemy. I am the entire grant team all here.
Decoded Futures is a program that is at the intersection of AI and impact. We are taking the social sector and we are pairing them with technologists to give them access to ways to use AI.
Success for us is not just the learning and understanding of frameworks, but building tools that they can actually use that saves them time to then do more empathetic work.
When I started the program, I was definitely like one of those people that was like very intimidated by AI. And so for me, it was really just a moment of clarity. It became a bit more practical in how I could use it as a way to make the organization more efficient so that we can serve more students, so we can grow our impact.
If this is something that we can build out, we can see this being a very realistic tool for other CUNY campuses or other universities in general across the country.
Just imagine how much further our organizations could go if they were able to outsource some of this, and like now they are with AI. So I think it's tremendously high potential, and I'm glad that Decoded Futures is giving them this opportunity.
This tool frees up advisors to build motivating relationships with students and that transform college-going culture.
We use this opportunity to create a new product to address a major inequality.
Let's show you how this little tool can help save Brendan's sanity.
It's generating about 20 to 25 emails in about 5 minutes, which is definitely a time save for the team.
It's saving a lot of time that we can be using for much deeper purposes.
We are also super excited to share that we've been selected as finalists for a Catalyst grant to continue this work.
We just won our first ever grant through this project.